We have held, up to yesterday, 3 consultative meetings between ourselves and the university management to come up with a modality of payment that is suitable and not painful to the employer, and that also renders these workers who were declared redundant getting their justice. Now, the interesting bit is that after the end of the 3 consultative meetings, nothing has come through. The university proposes that it can pay 5 million shillings to be shared by these workers every month. Now, if you work out 5 million shillings vis-a-vis the total amount of over 625 million, it will tell you how many months that will work to. Will that be within the 60 days period? It will not. It means that the university is still hell-bent on violating the court order. And as workers, we cannot abet violation of the law. We will not help the university break the law. And our demand therefore yesterday, when we were parting, was that they pay these workers as directed by the court. We gave them a free hand to choose. They can pay the entire 625 million to these workers once. They can choose to pay within how many tranches that they want to pay, but as long as it is within 60 days. That was our first proposal that we gave them yesterday. The second one was, if they find that that particular route is not suitable, they're not comfortable with that kind of payment, then that they should consider returning these workers to their respective work. We were offering that way so that then, at the end of the day, we know there are those members who have since retired. Therefore, the number will come down. The others who may have also passed on will bring the number down. The others who may have gotten greener pastures and they're not intending to get back to university work, again, that will help bring down the numbers that are in question.